Ciao, I'm Kimberly and I'm an artist. Today I would like to take you on a tour of my painting Ponte San Pantalon, Venezia. And this painting is really special because I love Venice and this painting was done from a gondola ride I took one evening in the canal. So let me show you a few photos of Venice before I get started with the painting. This is Venice's famous Canal Grande. It is the main waterway through Venice, and you can see there are a lot of boats on the water. You can see a big vaporetto, which is kind of like a water bus. I love to use those as a way to get around, and there are also smaller craft too. And this is a picture of two gondole, and this is what I was using one evening. I went on a gondola ride, and this is the view I saw from underneath the bridge, and I saw Ponte San Pantalon. This is what the neighborhoods of Venice look like. Aren't they pretty? They're sunny, they're colorful, and I love painting the smaller sections of Venice just as much as the large, majestic ones. It is also charming. And this is my painting, Ponte San Pantalon, Venezia. So it's really interesting. The larger canal running horizontally across the bottom of the painting is Rio di Cafascari. And the smaller canal leading back into the painting is Rio di San Pantalon. This bridge is also interesting for another reason. It connects two of the neighborhoods of Venice. This is a detail of the actual bridge. And you can see, looking underneath the bridge, there is another bridge in the distance, and also boats that are moored outside homes. And I also love the geometric railing. I thought that was so beautiful, and it was one of the major reasons I chose to paint this bridge. On this side of the painting is one neighborhood, and I find it interesting for a couple of reasons. There's the colorful kiosk that is sitting on the edge of a piazza, and there is a home there with the beautiful blue sky reflected in the windows. Off to the right, just outside of the painting, is the church that this bridge is named after, Chiesa San Pantalon. And it is a beautiful church. I highly recommend stopping there if you are in this neighborhood. The other side of the painting shows the beautiful turquoise shutters that you see all over Venice. I actually use paint made with the real turquoise stone to achieve this deep color. And I love the weathered feel of the building. You can see the brick, you can see the wood, and all the things that give these buildings so much character throughout the ages. So thank you for joining me on this tour today. To see more artwork like this, check out my website. I've included the link here. And to see more art in progress, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. I would love to see you there. And until next time, ciao, ciao.